How to prune Lacecap hydrangeas. They say that the only difference between a bad haircut and a good haircut is a few weeks, but the same logic does not apply to pruning hydrangeas. If you prune lovely Lacecaps Hydrangea macrophylla incorrectly, your shrubs may pass the following summer without blossoms. With hydrangeas, when you prune is as important as how you prune. Lacecap hydrangeas. Big-leaf hydrangeas come in two varieties: mopheads, with blossoms like puffy snowballs, and lacecaps, with inflorescences that resemble little round caps that women used to wear to church. Lacecap blooms group tiny female flowers in a flattened disc with the sterile but showy male flowers around the edge. Like mopheads, lacecaps grow best in U.S. Department of Agriculture plant hardiness zones 6 through 9. Most cultivars, like Lady in Red, bloom in summer, while reblooming cultivars like Twist and Shout extend their flowering through fall. Oldwood bloomers. Some hydrangea species bloom on old wood and some on new growth, and this makes a critical difference in when you need to prune. While species that form buds on new growth can be trimmed back in fall or even winter, oldwood bloomers like lacecaps cannot. They set buds directly after flowering, so even a mid-fall pruning is likely to remove many of the next year's blossoms. Prune lacecaps just after they finish blooming for the season. Pruning Basics. Lacecaps are not plants that require pruning to thrive, and the shrubs can live out long, flowery lives without a major trim. But hydrangeas tolerate pruning well, so it's an option if your lacecap is outgrowing its space or seems to lack vigor. Pruning is also useful when you have to trim out dead or damaged stems, or to increase the size of the flowers. Your reason for pruning will dictate the cuts that you make. Don't forget to clean the cutting blades of a pruner by wiping them with a rag soaked in denatured alcohol. Pruning cuts. If you're pruning to renew an aging bush, thin out the shrub by removing 1/3 of the stems at ground level. Take out the oldest canes first. Be sure to remove dead, diseased or damaged stems as well as stems that cross one another. If you wish to reduce the plant height, cut back each stem to the desired height, making the cut just above a leaf node. You can snip off dead blossoms at the same time to tidy up the shrub.